Hello, everybody. Oh, everybody. Hello. Oh my god, why am I waiting? Ew. Anyways, hello, everybody. Today I'm gonna be filming a makeup tutorial, as requested by the queen of my heart, Giselle. So the top is dirty, but I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera with the Anastasia dip brow, and I'm filming on my computer. That's why the quality is insane. But okay, don't mind them right now. They're a little messy, but I'm gonna darken them up. Like, don't cancel me. I got this palette before he got canceled. I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. I don't know what shade this is, but I'm gonna be using this dark one right above the black, just to darken up my eyebrows. They look a mess still, but I'm gonna clean it up with the P. Louise primer. I've had this primer for like over a year, so it's probably like very expired, but it doesn't affect me, so we're gonna use it. Okay, my eyebrows are done. Just letting everybody know, I settle for possibly related, not sisters, not twins, okay? Dang. Sorry, famous. But, what am I gonna do next? Okay, then, like, to set the primer, I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette. Once again, don't cancel me. Oh. The James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using the lightest concealer, shade right there. Actually, before I put the P. Louise primer on, once again, I take this camo color corrector, also by e.l.f. e.l.f. sponsor me. Just kidding. Anyways, I just put it on my eyes because I don't sleep, so I'm gonna just put it under. This is the P. Louise primer, and I literally just like spread it out all over, under my under my eyes. And then like all over. So I have a mirror over here, so that's what I'm. And when I'm blending, I don't really blend with my finger near my eyebrows because I don't want to mess them up. But so I take this concealer brush, this Real Techniques Expert concealer brush. I just blend it into like where my eyebrows are, and it literally makes it look seamless. I love this brush. I use it for like basically everything. And I'm gonna blend a little bit under my eyes too. And then I'm gonna blend it right here. Step foundation. This is the one I use. The Smashbox Always On. Not sponsored. Oh, you probably can't even read it, but yeah, it's the Smashbox Always On. Spread it out like this much, and then I take the beauty blender and then just blend it. I ruined my eyebrows. Usually I put my foundation on like my forehead, like up here first. I don't know why I didn't do that right now, but I gotta redo my eyebrows. I tried to fix them the best that I could. But anyways, the next step after foundation, I sprayed this on the all-nighter extra glow from Urban Decay all over my face. And then like I wait for it to dry a little bit, and then when it's still like damp, I blend it in. And after that, I get this e.l.f. HD powder. It has like shimmer in it, which I like. And then I just put it all over my face. Okay, I'm done. I put it all over my face. It's all glittery now. Then I take the James Charles palette once again, and I use this shade for my bronzer, I guess. To get it sharp, I take this random pill thing. I don't know what it is, but I take this random pill thing and then I just put it right here. Oh no, this mirror's like inverted, so I can't even really see, so I just kind of mess it up. But Take it from, I put it way too low. But anyways, I take it and then I take it like all around. Like I put it up here and bring it down. It's okay. I'm not going out anywhere. You can't even tell on this camera, but it's there. And then I'm gonna like do that, you know, straighten it out with a little puff and the powder. I did the same with the bronzer, but yeah, I'm just gonna let this bake and then I'm gonna move on to my eyes. A little Stanley braid. Shout out to my tia for real. Free Stanley. I almost forgot to put a blush. Anyways, I used the Jeffree Star mini breaker palette, and then I use this bright pink right here. And I literally just tap it on the brush. You already know, you know how to put on blush. I tap it into the brush, like tap it up, like, and then so I just, to like make it more mellow. You can't tell, it's like on the camera, but it's like really pink right now, like clown makeup. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and then blend it, make it more natural. I took this e.l.f. brush and then just brush it all the way. You already know the deal. Now for my makeup look that I do all the time. Nothing, probably to you it's new, but it's nothing new for me. So once again, I take this random pill thing and then I put it at an angle, use the black eyeshadow, and just make like a wing. If you mess up a little, that's okay, because you could always take your little concealer brush, clean it up. That'll be good. What I'd like to do to get a better like point, I guess, I take my brush that I did use my eyeshadow with, and I make it skinnier. I don't know if you can see that, but I make it skinnier and take my Anastasia dip brow, but this time in the shade Granite, it's black, and then I just fix my wing. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull this in, cause we're gonna make like a cut crease later, and then I just blend that in. And then you could just put more eyeshadow. You don't need to use the dip brow. Actually, you don't need to use the dip brow at all, but still, like any black eyeshadow, any black makeup that you have, just rock with it and just roll with it. But yeah, just gonna blend it out. And then since my wing is not like perfect, I'm just gonna use my concealer brush to clean it up once again. I fixed this wing, made it more sharp, just using the foundation that was left on the lid, and just cleaned it up a little bit. And then you could set that again if you want to. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did with this eye. So this eyeshadow, wing, whatever, and then I'm gonna take this brush. So I did both eyes, and I'm gonna take my P. Louise primer, put a little bit on my hand. I think that should be a good amount, like the size of like a little like BB gun ammo, like a little BB. And then I just put it. It should be able to make it like a moon shape type, and then blend it into the black. I'm gonna take my then I'm gonna take my finger and then blend it into the black more, like pat it in, and it's gonna look like that. And it moved the black back too far, so I'm gonna take more of the black and then blend it into the primer. Okay, then the next step is I literally go into the James Charles palette and I take the white shade and then pat it into that. And then I'm gonna take this LA Colors Smoky Eyeshadow palette. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Good stuff. And then I'm gonna rub my finger and then I'm gonna put it on my lid. So that I feel like this one's like more like a more pigmented white. It has sparkles in it, that's why I like it, but like it's a more pigmented white than the James Charles palette, to be honest. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna take it and then like blend them together more. Like, I curl my lashes with eyelash curler I also got from the Dollar Tree. Then I take this Jeffree Star Peppermint Frost and I use the shade Ugly Sweater, and I put it like under my eyebrows to like brighten them. Then I use the shade Igloo Gold, this middle one, and then I put it on my nose. A little powder brush, a bigger brush, and then I'm gonna get like mix the Ugly Sweater and the Igloo Gold, and then put it on my cheeks. I like to be shining bright like a diamond. And then it's probably gonna look a mess because this isn't really like a highlight brush. So I just like to blend it up a little bit with my finger. Also my nose. Okay. We're almost done, guys. And then I take this Ioni mascara. I curled my eyelashes earlier, but like I'm taking this Ioni mascara and just, you know, mascara. You know how to do mascara. Okay, next, I'm gonna do my lips, and then I literally just put like foundation on my lips, blend it out, and then I use this lip liner. I use this lip liner by Juvia's Place in the shade Cola. I don't know. It's gonna be backwards. But yeah, that's the shade. And me personally, I like to overline my lips and make them more rounded, because my lips are like pointy. And then lastly, I mean, we're not done yet, but like we're almost done. I just put clear on the bottom and rub it in. Yep. I'm gonna make this one more rounded. I gotta mess them up, but now I'm gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna find some because I don't know where my lashes went. For my lashes, I found some lashes, like they look like this, but I'm gonna stack them with these lashes that I got off TikTok shop because I don't really rock with them by themselves, but it makes the lashes like more like cat eye, you know what I mean? The eyelash glue, and obviously do what you do with lashes, just put them on. Unfortunately, I only have like the black one, so it's probably gonna mess up the white because I don't know how to put lashes on. But my hair's not cooperating today, so I put it up. But yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, almost forgot the last step. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and comment down below. Subscribe and show me some love. Peace. Peace, y'all.